Folks, we've made some major improvements to our airbags. I've got Matt here, our technical advisor, to run through some changes. But what you're going to love is the usability of this system now. So it has changed dramatically. And that has come from customer feedback once again to make this what you wanted. So Matt, you've had some calls over the time on our airbag system, how to use it.
I have, yes.
So you've been pivotal in changing this, because obviously the feedback that you get straight from customers comes to us as management and engineering to make these changes. So thank you for that. So it's time for the great unveil. Let me unlock and then I'll let you run through our system. So once again, locking, all tucked away neatly. Show us what we've got, Matt.
So big updates to the airbag system. We now have gone digital. We have moved away from pull your hose out, connect it up, and let's go inflate everything. So it is now 2 toggle switches, your left and your right.
And we've made the compressor standard now on our Adventure range.
The compressor comes standard with every Adventure. It's tucked away behind all of the gauges. But yeah, left toggle, right toggle, very simple. Turn it on. Your pump will turn on to pressurize your tank. Currently we are pressurized, that's why it hasn't turned on.
So which one of these are we looking at is the tank, Matt? So we've got three PSI readings there. Which is which?
So the very top PSI level is going to be your left, the center is your right, and the very bottom is the PSI that your tank is sitting at.
So we've got the onboard compressor and the onboard tank to hold that air.
Correct.
Okay.
So very simply, if I want to go down, all I'm going to do is drop it down. If I want to go up, I just inflate.
How good is that?
Very easy, more user-friendly. What happens to your pump? Your pump, unfortunately, happens to die. We've now got also 2 overrides. So left override, right override. If you have to use something else to pump it up, just pump it up.
So a portable compressor, the service station, whatever it might be.
Yeah.
And what's our line out here for?
So your line out as well, if you just want to blow something down, dust all over it, plug your hose into it and you can use it.
Pump up the kids' tyres on the pushies.
There we go.
Perfect. So anyone who's had that conversation with Matt about their airbags and their functionality and how to use it, thank you, because that feedback has brought this to the game.